You've clicked on this video because you're done with all those gurus teaching you different scaling methods for your e-commerce business. I've personally scaled over hundreds of stores across all of my clients, and in this video I'm not gonna show you that is every dropship guru is teaching you. Instead, I will show you a step-by-step framework on how to scale your store profitably in 2024 right now. So make sure you will watch till the end of this video, because I'm not only going to show you the 5-step framework, but I'm also going to show you my first winning product that I scaled to over $50,000 per day. And for the people that doesn't know me yet, my name is Dan, and I don't have a course, I don't have a mentorship, and I have nothing to sell you. I run a growth marketing agency for e-commerce brands doing at least 50K plus in monthly recurring revenue. And with that being said, let's get straight into the 5-step framework. Step 1. In order to start scaling your store, you need to have a valid product to sell. And if I look to all the winners that I had in the past and all of the winning products that I see right now with my clients, they have all one thing in common. And that is that they search for trends. Trends in the market, and then they create a good offer, and that is working really well in 2024. So how do you find products and how do you find trends? It's really simple. So what I want you to do is to basically search for winning creatives, okay? And why winning creatives? Because they have proof of concept. So go on the social media platforms as TikTok, as Facebook, and search for creatives with high engagement. And then go to the website and use tools like Ali Hunter to scrape their best sellers. Then make sure you make a list of all those best sellers and start testing them for your own store. What's important is that you don't copy paste anything, right? Try to find new angles, try to find better hooks, trying to create better creatives, right? And create a better or solid website in order to get better results than your competitor. And I see this working all the time. Back in the days with my own stores, I did this, and right now I see this strategy used by a lot of my clients. Okay, so basically what it is, you search for trends by searching for creatives, scrape the competitor website with spy tools, then copy paste the product and create the product even better. An extra tip that I would like to give you is start testing this product in your own country. Why? You know the market the best, you know the language, so you can easily start selling products. So I'm from Amsterdam, from the Netherlands, so what I will do is start looking for competitors in other countries, right, in Europe or the United States, and then start testing those products in my own country. So step 2 is creating your first online webshop, and I would highly recommend to start using Shopify for it. Shopify is a one-and-all platform that you can use to start building your first e-commerce store online. And back in the days, I was working hours on my store, creating the best logos, creating the best content, creating the multiple colors, right? But in the end, it doesn't really make sense. You don't need to spend hours of working on your own webshop. But still, I got a lot of questions from you guys with, hey, how can I create a high converting product page? So what I did is I created a second video that's down below or linked down below, where I explain you one of my product page templates that you can steal for free that gets on average a 6 to 7% conversion rate. So make sure after you watch this video to check out the other video down below. Step 3. So now you have the product, you have the website. Now it comes down to advertisement. So advertisement is not really a big science, guys, okay? And let me explain you why. Those social media platforms like Google, TikTok, and Facebook want to have the best user experience for the people that are on the platforms, but also for you as someone that advertises on their platforms, right? They want to have you the best results. So what is important to understand when it comes down to ads is that it's all about having the right offer with the right creative. So how do you create a good creative? So you found your product by spying on other competitors, right? So make sure you go onto their product page, right? You go into their advertisement library and see what angle they are using to advertise the product. So what's important to understand, that angle sells. So what you need to do is to recreate the same creative with the same angle. And on social media platforms as YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, there is a lot of free content available that you can use to create your first creative. And to make it even better, what you can do is order the same product on platforms as Amazon and wait a few days and then start creating high quality UGC content. So first what you need to do is find a hook that competitors are using to sell this product, then order the product or steal the free content that's online and create your own creative. And after that you can start testing your first ads. Step 4, scaling your winning products. What is a winning product? A winning product is a product that is profitably, but to give you some more guidance, a winning product is a product that brings in $500 to $1,000 in revenue per day and is still profitable. So what do you need to do in order to scale this winning product? First of all, you need to optimize your website. So in order to optimize your webshop, you need to add more reviews, you need to check on spelling errors, and you need to add better content. In terms of advertisement, what you need to do right now is finding new hooks that sells your audience and create new creatives. To understand this, after some time, if people watch your creative over and over again, they are bored. So you need to start creating new angles, creating new creatives, right, with different products, with different hooks, and start testing this again. And while you start creating new creatives and new angles, you can scale up your current advertisement if they are still profitable. One of the other steps that I always would recommend in order to scale your winning products is to start retargeting on multiple channels. And on this I created another video, right, a whole breakdown on how you can leverage Meta ads, TikTok ads, Google ads all in one time if you found a winning product. And the last part that I would like to say to you is don't get comfortably. So if you're finding your first winning product, use that momentum to find new winning products, because as soon as a winning product comes, as soon it will go away because of the competitors or if the creators are not working again. So make sure that you use those momentum to scale even further. And I even did it by myself. So first I had a winning product that gives me around 2K a day. Eventually I used that momentum, right, to test more products and scale to over $15,000 per day in revenue. Now you have skin in the game, it's time to make your first hires to create your own team. It's really important to start building a customer service team and a team that is doing the acquisition for you. And the big difference is why some people are scaling to over $100,000 per day with their store, and you that you only scale to 1 to 2K is that you don't have a team. So make sure that you automate your business by building a team. And in order to help you, I create another video of how you can test consistently 5 products per day with a team. So check out the video below after you watch this video. So right now, my first winning product, right? Actually, my first winning product that I had back in the days in 2019 was a soft jacket. It was getting cold in Europe, so I started selling soft jackets, and this product I scaled to over $10,000 per day with only this product. So actually what I did is I saw this product on a competitor website. They were using bad images. They don't really had a hook that they used. So what I did is copy paste the product. I optimized the product page, I optimized the hooks, and I start testing different creatives. And that is also the process that I just explained to you, and I want you to understand that you need to find products, you need to refine it, you need to optimize it, you need to start testing it, and at the end of the day, you need to automate it. So this is a step-by-step framework that I used for all of my stores in the past, and that I see it's still working with a lot of my client stores. So on every topic I made a more detailed video, because otherwise this video will be too long, so make sure you check it out down below. And if you need any help in scaling your business or scaling your e-commerce store, and you got any questions around it, feel free to send me a message on Twitter. Again, I have nothing to sell you, I don't have a course, and I don't have a one-on-one mentorship. And with that being said, I hope you found it valuable. If you find it valuable, please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.